column chart. So basically now let's discuss first that what is clustered column chart. So the clustered column chart is ideal for comparing multiple categories side by side. When you have the data set of multiple categories, so in that scenario, clustered column chart will give you the best explanation of your data set. So use it when you need to show discrete comparison across groups, especially when dealing with categorical data and multiple series. So when to use it, the best option or opt for this when comparing values across categories without emphasizing total or proportion. It's great for showing difference between items in the same category. So this is clustered column chart, and it is most likely to be used when you have data set of multiple categories like good, worse, bad, something like that. And in scenario cases, for example, if you are comparing sale figure for different product across region or quarterly revenue by department, for instance, if you are analyzing monthly expense by cost, marketing cost, operation cost, fixed cost, variable cost, and if you want to compare them across year, then this is the best chart that will give you the best visualization of your results. Then next comes the labeling option. Keep in mind that I have just written these option that is best suitable according to me. You can change the labeling option according to your own data set and the content that you want to represent in your charts. So it is not hard and fast rule that you always have to keep these labeling on your axis. So the first one is on x-axis. So on x-axis you have most suitable that on x-axis you take categorical data like region or time or period like months. On y-axis it is most appropriate to taking numerical data such as sales of the month, cost, revenue. So these type of variables can be taken on y-axis. And in case of legends, if you want to add legends and if you want to give more details, then the series or subcategories can be labeled on legend. Then comes data labels. It is an option if you want to allow or if you want to show what is percentage, what is the numbers that are appearing on a particular column, then you can on this option to show the values on your columns. Then next come tooltips. If you add some more additional information in your charts, then you can use this option of tooltip. So now let's look at a cluster column chart. So as you can see that here top of the column we have given it a title, sum of sales, and then on y-axis we have sum of sales. As I mentioned earlier that it is better to keep numerical values on y-axis, so we have here on y-axis numerical values sum of sales, and on x-axis we have region, and here you can see that we have labeled our columns by giving or by allowing them values. And here we also on the option of legends. You can see from these options here from as well. By moving forward in our next lecture, in that lecture I will be making all the charts and I will be explaining how to label, how to keep the title of x-axis, how to keep the title of y-axis, how to change the position of legends, how to change or remove the position of the grid lines. But as I mentioned earlier, in our today's session we are just going to understand that when and how to make what particular chart that gives you the best results. So this is our first chart, that is clustered column chart.